Welcome to the project demonstration of fingerprint based examination hall. So here from this fingerprint sensor we are going to allow the students inside the examination hall based on the authentication, and the allowance will be done by this gate like using the DC motor. So the whole system worked by this PIC microcontroller, PIC16F452 microcontroller. So from this microcontroller we are going to give the input from this like fingerprint module or 303A, and the outputs of DC motor as well as LCD, and if it is unauthorized then we'll get the buzzer indication through this buzzer. So coming to this interfacing connections, the DC motor interfaces to the microcontroller through this L293D motor driver, which was interfaced at C0 C1 pin of our microcontroller, and LCD interface at B2 to B7, and buzzer is for D3, and fingerprint module at A0 A1. And here the DC motor driven by this 9 volts battery and through this connector. So coming to this motherboard, so it's a 40 pin microcontroller, and from this adapter we are going to provide the 230 volts input to this adapter, and the output of this adapter is 5 volts constant regulated power supply. The microcontroller will start getting the 5 volts, and then it start reading the input and controlling the output modules. And these are the two control buttons. In order to format, this button is the format, there is a F written on this, and this one is the E enrolling. So in order to enroll that, just hold this switch and restart the microcontroller, then we can enroll, and the so-called status will be displayed on the LCD screen. And coming to this motherboard, this was the reset switch and 20 MHz of crystal oscillator. So let us see the demonstration. Just provide the main power supply to the system, and once the system get the power supply, there will be a welcome message on the screen, right? Okay, so now it will ask for the fingerprint module. So now just I want to format, just hold this reset switch, restart, just hold this F button and restart the system. So you can see it on LCD screen, data is erasing. Once the erase was done, right, please restart. Now I want to enroll. Now again same, keep and hold this E button and restart, and now it will enter into the enrolling mode, right? So here just I am pressing my finger on this, and it will say that thank you, it will get stored, and now you can remove that, the stored it one. Again if we want to store the another fingerprint, right, so again it will store that in particular address, and it will confirm the number also, right? Now if you want to enter into the working mode, just connect this battery also, main important point. And now just if I place my finger, authorized student, nothing but, right, access granted, and the gate will be open, closed after some time. Same again. So we should place the finger properly, then it will detect the proper, right? So if I place the wrong finger, which was not registered, so just I'm placing another finger, right, ID doesn't exist. So in this manner we are going to provide the authentication for the students, those who are registered inside the examination hall. Thank you.